Hi, Alan Edge, reading for West in Two Trains Running.
What you go up there for, West?
I went up there to see if my wife was in heaven. I didn't bury a whole lot of people, but she's the first one I ever wondered about. See, people don't understand about death. But when you get to hear that coffin sound, then you know ain't nothing like it. That coffin get to talking and you know that this what we call life ain't nothing. You can blow it away with the blink of an eye, but you can't blow away death. It lasts forever. I didn't understand it till my wife died. Before that, it was just a job. But when she died, I come to understand it. See, you can live to be 150, but you'll never have a greater moment than when you breathe your last breath. Ain't nothing you can do in life compared to it. See, you done something great. You done become part of something that come before. Ain't nothing you could do greater than in life, greater than that. So I went up to Aunt Esther to see if my wife was in heaven. I figure if anybody knows, she'd know.